Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this pigeon or dove, and they're trying to put it on an anodized aluminum. One, I would try to find just a better dove, and I might find one and try to do it. This dove might engrave okay. It's a blurred bitmap, but it'll work. And just to let you know, the one I'm doing it for, I changed your nudge distance to, or your duplicate distance to 0, 0. Because this is why I'm going to make a duplicate of that. I'm going to take this one, I'm going to trace bitmap, outline trace, but this time I'm going to use low quality. It's going to take like 15 seconds. And then when it's done, because we don't really care what the bitmap looks like, we're just trying to get it basically to trace it. I'm going to change when it's done, I'm going to change the detail all the way to 100% and then hit OK. And what that did, it made more of a bitmap. Now I'm going to nudge it twice, and you can see what it's done. It's taken away the background, but we're going to select it, and we're going to go to Object, and we're going to go to Group and Ungroup. Then I'm going to select it, and I'm going to use the Boundary tool, and the Boundary tool put a boundary around it. Now I can nudge it back. Let me make sure which one well, either one of them are the original pictures because I made a duplicate. I made a video about this the other day, but this one's a little bit different. On this one, we're going to use Intersect. Now, it took all the white background out of the bird, and it might engrave. I would test this or try to find a better dove. The other day, I did this exact same video, and I used back minus front. But this time I used Intersect, which intersects everything that's between that boundary line and the item. That just might engrave. A lot of times it'll really surprise you. And especially, I think he's using photograph, and you might be able to digitize that inside a photograph. Not 100% sure. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.